Hey fruit lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature. Today I'm diving into the juicy world of apple cultivation, a topic that's as rich and varied as the fruit itself. Get ready because I'm revealing 15 surprising secrets about growing those delicious apples you love. Whether you're an aspiring gardener or just a curious fruit enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. All right, let's bite into it. First up, did you know that apple trees can take up to 5 years to start producing fruit? Yep, patience is key when it comes to growing these beauties. It's a long wait, but the reward is definitely worth it. Imagine biting into a crisp, juicy apple that you grew yourself. And here's a fun one. Apples are part of the rose family. Who knew, right? This connection to roses is evident in the beautiful blossoms that apple trees produce each spring. Now, if you thought apples needed tons of water, think again. They actually prefer well-drained soil and moderate moisture. Overwatering can harm them. Proper watering techniques are crucial. Too much water can lead to root rot, while too little can stress the tree. Balance is key. Ever wonder why apple trees are pruned in winter? It's because they're dormant, which helps them heal and grow better in spring. Pruning during dormancy minimizes stress on the tree and encourages a more robust growth cycle when the weather warms up. And speaking of growth, grafting is a game changer. It's a technique where you combine different plants to get the best of both worlds. Grafting allows for the creation of apple trees that are more resilient and can produce better fruit. It's like nature's way of optimizing itself. Did you know that apples are self-incompatible? They need pollen from another variety to produce fruit. This means that having a diverse range of apple trees in your orchard is super important for successful pollination. So diversity in your orchard is super important. It not only ensures good pollination, but also adds to the beauty and variety of the apples you can harvest. Here's a cool fact. Bees are the unsung heroes of apple growing. They're essential for pollination. Without them, we wouldn't have apples. These tiny workers ensure that the flowers are pollinated, leading to the development of those delicious fruits we all love. Now, let's talk about storage. Apples keep best in cool, humid conditions. That crisper drawer in your fridge? Perfect. It helps maintain the right environment to keep your apples fresh for longer. And believe it or not, apples can be stored for months. Some varieties last up to a year in proper conditions. This means you can enjoy your harvest long after the picking season is over. Ever see those pinkish apples in the store? They're sprayed with a safe edible wax to keep them fresh and shiny. Pretty neat, huh? This wax coating helps to lock in moisture and extend the shelf life of the apples, making them look as good as they taste. Now, here's something wild. There are over 7,500 apple varieties worldwide. That's a lot of apples to try. Each variety has its own unique flavor, texture, and appearance, offering endless possibilities for culinary adventures. And finally, did you know that apples can help reduce cholesterol? They're not just tasty, they're healthy too. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, apples are a great addition to a balanced diet. So next time you bite into an apple, remember these fascinating facts. Happy munching. If you enjoyed these secrets, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fruity goodness. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of apples. See you soon. Welcome back, apple enthusiasts. Let's explore more about apple cultivation. Did you know that apple trees can live for over 100 years? Some of the oldest apple trees are still producing fruit. Another interesting fact is that apples are 25% air, which is why they float in water. And here's a tip for growing apples. They thrive in regions with cold winters and moderate summers. The cold helps them set fruit buds for the next season. Now let's talk about pests. Apple trees can be affected by various pests like codling moths and aphids. Integrated pest management is crucial to keep these pests at bay. And did you know that apples have been grown for thousands of years? They were even found in the tombs of ancient Egypt. Finally, let's discuss the nutritional benefits of apples. They're rich in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants, making them a healthy snack choice. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about apple cultivation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more apple insights. See you in the next video. Welcome back, fruit enthusiasts. In this segment, we'll dive into the history of apple cultivation. Apples have been cultivated for over 4,000 years, with origins tracing back to Central Asia. They were brought to North America by European settlers in the 17th century. Today, the United States is one of the largest apple producers in the world. Did you know that the science of apple growing is called pomology? Pomologists study the cultivation, harvesting and storage of apples to improve yield and quality. Another fun fact, the apple tree is a deciduous tree, meaning it sheds its leaves annually. This process helps the tree conserve energy during the winter months. And speaking of energy, apples are a great source of natural energy. They contain natural sugars like fructose, which provide a quick energy boost. So, next time you need a pick-me-up, grab an apple. Stay tuned for more apple cultivation insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more apple insights. See you in the next video. Hey there, apple aficionados. Welcome to a journey through the diverse world of apple varieties. Let's talk about the different types of apples and what makes each one special. There are thousands of apple varieties, each with its unique flavor, texture and color. From sweet to tart, crisp to soft, the world of apples is incredibly diverse. Some popular varieties include Fuji, known for their sweetness and crunch, Gala, which are aromatic and juicy, Granny Smith, famous for their tartness, and Honey Crisp, celebrated for their perfect balance of sweet and tart. Each variety has its own growing requirements and harvest times, making apple farming a precise and dedicated craft. For example, Fuji apples are known for their sweet flavor and crisp texture, making them perfect for snacking. They thrive in warm climates and are usually harvested in late autumn. Granny Smith apples, on the other hand, are tart and firm, making them ideal for baking. They are often harvested in early winter and can be stored for long periods. Did you know that apple trees can be grown from seeds, but the resulting apples may not be the same as the parent tree? This is due to the complex genetics of apples. This is because apples are heterozygous, meaning they have a diverse genetic makeup. Each seed can produce a completely different apple variety. To ensure consistency and maintain desired traits, apple trees are usually propagated through grafting. Grafting involves joining a piece of a desired apple variety to a rootstock, which provides the tree's root system. This method ensures that the new tree will produce apples identical to the parent variety. This technique allows growers to produce apples with specific characteristics, ensuring quality and uniformity in their orchards. Stay tuned for more apple cultivation tips and tricks. We'll explore everything from planting to harvesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more apple insights. Your journey into the world of apples is just beginning. Welcome back, apple lovers. We're thrilled to have you join us again as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of apple cultivation. In this segment, we'll discuss the environmental impact of apple cultivation, a topic that is becoming increasingly important as we strive for more sustainable agricultural practices. Apple orchards can have both positive and negative effects on the environment. It's a complex balance that requires careful management and thoughtful practices. On the positive side, apple trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to combat climate change. This natural process is vital for maintaining the balance of our atmosphere. They also provide habitat for various wildlife species, creating a thriving ecosystem within the orchard. Birds, insects and small mammals often find refuge in apple orchards, contributing to biodiversity. This biodiversity is crucial for the health of the environment. However, apple cultivation can also have negative impacts, such as pesticide use and water consumption. These practices can pose significant challenges to environmental sustainability. Pesticides can harm beneficial insects and contaminate soil and water sources. This contamination can have far-reaching effects on local ecosystems and human health. Water-intensive farming practices can deplete local water supplies and affect surrounding ecosystems. This is particularly concerning in areas already facing water scarcity. To minimize these impacts, many growers are adopting sustainable practices like organic farming and integrated pest management. These methods aim to reduce the environmental footprint of apple cultivation. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, relying on natural methods to control pests and improve soil health. This approach promotes a healthier and more resilient ecosystem. This can include crop rotation, composting, and the use of natural predators to manage pest populations. These techniques work together to create a balanced and sustainable farming system. Integrated pest management, or IPM, combines biological, cultural, and chemical methods to manage pests in an environmentally friendly way. This holistic approach helps maintain the health of the orchard and the surrounding environment. For example, growers may use pheromone traps to disrupt pest mating cycles or introduce beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests. These strategies reduce the need for chemical interventions. By adopting these practices, growers can produce apples in a more sustainable and eco-friendly manner. This not only benefits the environment, but also supports the long-term health of the orchard. Sustainable apple cultivation not only protects the environment, but also ensures the long-term viability of apple orchards. It's a win-win for both nature and agriculture. Stay tuned for more insights into apple cultivation. We'll continue to explore the many facets of this incredible fruit and its journey from orchard to table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more apple insights. Your support helps us bring you more content on sustainable farming and delicious apples. Hey, fruit fans! Let's talk about the economic importance of apple cultivation. Apples are one of the most widely grown and economically significant fruits in the world. They provide income and employment for millions of people, from growers and pickers to packers and sellers. In many regions, apple orchards are a vital part of the local economy. Did you know that the global apple market is worth billions of dollars? The United States, China, and Poland are some of the largest apple producers and exporters. Apples are also a popular ingredient in various food products, from apple juice and cider to pies and sauces. The versatility and popularity of apples make them a valuable crop for farmers. And let's not forget about apple festivals. Many regions celebrate their apple harvest with festivals featuring apple-themed activities, food, and entertainment. These events not only promote apple consumption, but also support local economies. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about apple cultivation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more apple insights.